Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Rocky, and today we are going to look at some E36 body kits available. Let's go.
Alright, first with the Mtech/M3 kit. This one has the front Mtech and rear Mtech bumper, but he's missing the side skirts. Pretty clean though. This one here has the front bumper, rear bumper, and the M3 side skirts. And here is a Cabrio with the front and rear Mtech bumpers as well as the facelift side skirt. BBS Front Lip. Next up, the AC Schnitzer body kit. Front bumper, rear bumper, side skirts, and the truck spoiler. Then we have the Widebody AC Schnitzer kit. Front bumper, rear bumper, upper window spoiler, rear truck spoiler, side skirts, and much wider fenders. And the Alpina. Front bumper lip, truck spoiler. This one is the other one was rocking the M3 mirrors. Here we got another one. 3 facelifts. And the facelift version. And next up, the Breyton kit. Front bumper, rear bumper, side skirts, and a wing. And the Racing Dynamics body kit. Rear bumper, side skirts, front bumper, and a spoiler. Next up, the Kelleners. Rear spoiler. Next we have the Rieger Widebody kit. Front bumper, rear bumper, side skirts, and a tall spoiler. Next up, Hamann. Full Widebody kit, flares, side skirts, rear bumper, front bumper, and a spoiler. Also, he's rocking the M3 mirrors. Super wide stance. And then the GTR racing kit. body kit. Wider fenders, front bumper, rear bumper, side skirts, hood, truck spoiler, the whole package. And here we have one without all the livery. Pretty clean, white. Next up, we have the Rocket Bunny Pandem kit. Front and rear overfenders, front bumper add-ons, front bumper lip, rear bumper add-ons.
Showing off, don't wanna have to wait tonight, wait tonight. Better off, I'm gonna find my way tonight, wait tonight. Won't you talk to me? I wanna heal your sorrow. Won't you talk to me? We'll make a new tomorrow.
This one is rocking some nice BBS wheels. And this one a little bit smaller wheels but more rubber. Looking more racetracky. Next up, the regular Rocket Bunny body kit. Overfenders, front and rear bumper add-ons, and a ducktail spoiler.
Showing off, don't wanna have to wait tonight, wait tonight.
And here we see a sedan with a Rocket Bunny kit modified to fit it.
Wait tonight, won't you talk to me? I wanna heal your sorrow. Won't you talk to me? We'll make a new tomorrow.
Next up, the Streetfighter L8 body kit. Rocking wider fenders, front bumper lip, a ducktail wing. And then the CliqTuning body kit. Here we see the overfenders from CliqTuning on a sedan. And here we see a compact 318 Ti with CliqTuning JDM style body kit. Next up, the Big Duck Club overfenders. And here we have the hard Motosport fender flares. the Esquiss Widebody kit. Rear bumper, front bumper, wider fenders, side skirts. Looks very good. And the Felony Form Overfenders. This one has the Felony Form Overfenders as well, but a little bit modified. Musk Customs. Overfenders we see there. And the Musk Customs E36 with the full livery and a JDM style body kit with the overfenders. And here with the JDM style body kit and the overfenders as well. Huxley Motorsport. JDM style body kit. But now I'm all alone, stuck on the inside. The heart doesn't need a castle, it needs a bridge. Front bumper, rear bumper, side skirts. And spoilers as well. And the Fitment Lab Overfenders. Next up, the HTK Racing Body Kit. White body kit with side skirts. And some front bumper add-ons there. And rear as well. And the Fibre Factory overfenders. I criticized myself for trusting lies. The MKAH Motorsports body kit. Cause then I'd be alone, stuck on the inside. The heart doesn't need a castle. Next up, the DTM Fiberwerkz white body kit. Kerscher. White body kit, front bumpers, overfenders, side skirts. Next up, metal flares. You can find those, for example, on eBay. And the Kiros Automotive design. And body kits that are coming soon, but still in the making. The Divericks Performance Track Mat Body Kit. And the Live to Offend E36 white body kit. Thanks for watching, guys. Here I have 2 videos for you to watch. Tell me down below which body kit you like the most. Please like, subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next video.